WSD Environmental Protection, promoting resource recycling for a better environment. Addressing the challenge of disposing end-of-line mother liquor from high salinity wastewater. WSD Environmental Protection has independently developed low-temperature evaporation and drying technology. This technology aids businesses in reducing the volume of drying high-salinity wastewater and evaporative mother liquor, effectively bridging the gap towards zero discharge of high-salinity wastewater, achieving real reduction, energy conservation, and resource utilization. Now, let's briefly introduce the principle of the low-temperature evaporation and drying disposal device. The low-temperature drying device for high-salinity wastewater is activated and the vacuum system starts. A negative pressure of -39 kPa to -38 kPa is formed inside the distillation kettle. The water is drawn into the distillation kettle by negative pressure. The steam control valve is opened and the stirring drive device is activated. Steam enters the distillation kettle's Miller plate jacket for heating. As the distillation kettle is under high vacuum, the wastewater reaches boiling when heated to 40 to 50 degrees Celsius. The steam generated by boiling wastewater enters the condensing system after passing through the spiral separator, where it undergoes heat exchange with circulating cooling water. Clean, condensed water flows into the storage tank until reaching the specified level, then is discharged. The device then draws wastewater from the original liquid barrel, again, to maintain the evaporation level. With continuous replenishment and evaporation, the high salinity wastewater in the kettle gradually concentrates and crystallizes. The high salinity wastewater transitions from a flowing state to a solid state. Under the action of the rotating stirring scraper device, precipitated salt residue is promptly removed to prevent crystalline scaling on the evaporative surface and ensure that residue in the kettle does not agglomerate or adhere. Once the emission conditions are met, the device automatically opens the slag discharge port, discharges the residue from the kettle through the directional scraper, and then resets for the next cycle. WSD's high salinity wastewater low temperature drying unit has been standardized and modularly designed to accommodate different production capacities. WSD's high salinity wastewater low temperature drying unit, your nearby expert in reliable zero discharge treatment.